Yeah, on this next episode, please subscribe. Here we are trying to lull our miller so that it can move freely and good without making any sound. We move like this from down. We put the oil inside these pointing parts. That's where we put the oil. The other side, so that we can lull without any sound, making any sound, and softly. As you see, I'm moving it down. I move it up. I put there the oil. Let me put it up. Yeah, moving like that. Now I'm moving it up. Okay, you see it. Please subscribe on this channel. Subscribe. Yeah, you see how now it's done. Now we are putting back the side cover. As you see, we are putting up the handle, trying to fix it. Yeah, now it's back. The handle it's there. Then you have to pin there the side cover on the door back properly. Then we fix back our screw tightly. As you see, you use a screwdriver, a good screwdriver, like that, tightly without losing. Then we put there the bolt, even here the bolt, even here we put the handle back. As you see, you fix it good. That helps in the lowering the mirror up and down. Then we put there the another handle where it helps to pull and close the door or push when opening. Yeah, that is what we have today. Then put back the boss in the proper position as you see it, and please subscribe on this channel for more videos. As you see, we are fixing it tightly. That's all we had for today. Let's make this channel famous. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, ask any question. What about you want to know, you will be answered. Click on the bell for more videos, for notification, so that you can get more videos. View, like, comment, and share. Yeah, now it's done. We have put the side cover back. That's all for that day. Thank you. Subscribe.